Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix National Hockey League app which is not working on your phone. So how you can fix it? Basically, we have to go to the Play Store first of all, and after going to the Play Store you have to type NHL or National Hockey League, and after that make sure that there should be open. No, if it is showing update in the place of open, then you need to update the app and make sure that you are using the latest version of NHL. Okay, and after that it can fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to click and hold and you have to go to the app management, and after that you have to go to the storage usage, and after that you have to clear all the cache, and after that it may fix a problem, but if it doesn't, then you have to clear all the data. So basically it will erase each and everything and you have to relog in into this app once again, and it may actually, this is the best solution that you can find for this issue, and it will fix a solution. But if it doesn't, then the last solution is that you have to uninstall this app, and again you have to go to the Play Store, or if you're using an Apple or iOS, you have to go to the Apple Store, okay, App Store, and here you can install it once again. So after installing it once again, just try to use the app once again, and in this way you will not find any same issue. And this is it guys, I hope you found this video really helpful, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Till that time, take care, goodbye.